5 minutes later.
Oye, se soltó Teodoro.
This is why we took the road trip. 23 hours in total. But we got some really good shit. Boost controller, big turbo, top mount, short throw shifter, front bumper. Just finished ceramic coating the exhaust manifold and the hot side of the turbo housing because since the Speed 3 uses a top mount intercooler and the exhaust manifold sits right next to it.
This girl is on fire.
So I use this can right here.
Mi interior, estoy tan loco que no sé de mí. Es que su amor se ha clavado en mi pecho y cada día sangra más mi herida. Que ni yo mismo muchas veces sé que quiero, porque sin ella mi alma está perdida.
Ahora es calle, Viri, y el alfa lo ha hecho en el Lamborghini. De granate el culo hemos de polo en el baúl del CB. Moverme el booty, entrega lo que estaba en bikini. En filita yo soy un playboy y tu carnechón quiere. Hay valor de sobra para pisarte una ta que no va a percutánea, que te muy llena y no le entre el peine. Es que son mariconcitos, te lo explico. Primero de la granada que luego antes de entrar meterle el cuerno. Dice voy, calle, 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 voy, calle, 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 calle. Dice voy, calle, 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 voy, calle, 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 calle. Dice voy, calle, 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 voy, calle, 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 calle. Dice voy, calle, 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 voy, calle, 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 voy, chipi boy, calle, 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 voy, un chipi boy, que calle, 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 voy, chipi boy, calle, 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 voy, chipi calle, 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 voy, chipi boy, calle, 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 voy, un chipi boy, que calle, calle, calle.
Porque se trata del polaco que sumó un video diciendo que usted es un mamabicho.
Tempo mamabicho, ¿tú crees que se me ha olvidado que saliste de precio a mexicano? Dejaste arrollado, fuiste por tu lado, porque siempre has sido un virao. Si Coscu no te lo menciona, nunca lo hubieras buscado. Chantea, que la cosa se puso fea o pichea, pero en tu caso te ayudaron los del DEA.
Yo no estaba en ella y tú estabas enfocado en mí. Ahora ella te lo niega y me lo entrega cui. Ella me lo pone cui. Ella me lo pone y me lo entrega cui. Ella me lo pone cui. Ella me lo entrega y me lo pone cui. A uno se lo pone y a usted se le quita. Uno está todo porque uno ya no es más.
So when you put it like this to the other side, then you hit this shit. If you too back, you can't put it in because the downpipe is in the way. The way the nut was positioned, now I can't get it. And through here, you can't either. It's a bit, but yeah, I got it all.
Ella me lo pone y me lo entrega cui. Ella me lo pone cui. Ella me lo entrega y me lo pone cui.
It's kind of raining. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit the turbo down there until I can put the manifold on, then bolt down the turbo, then bolt down the downpipe, and then the accessories, and then we should be good. It's the next day. I did all the accessories to the turbo, cooler line, oil feed, oil drain. Now I did the 3-port boost controller. Just did all the connections. So you can fucking see everything is plugged in. It's just one line, number 3, I think. Yeah, this one. That's number 2, actually. No, that's number 2. That goes into the inlet pipe. So I'm connecting the inlet pipe to the turbo, and then put the battery tray, and then put the intake, and then put the intercooler on top. Already got my spark plugs to 0.24. Just put some distilled water in the reservoir so I can flush the system. I gotta put oil in it, and yeah, that's it. Also had to connect the 14, 15. Okay. Moment of fucking truth. Let's see if the car fucking starts after all the fucking bullshit I did to it. I'm scared. He turned on. He turned on. He turned on. I'm a fucking G, nigga. I'm a G, nigga. I'm a G, nigga. We're gonna have a lot of smoke. So the manifold, all of that. The new turbo, even though it's not new. This is what I was installing now. It's AM METH kit. This is what it comes with. Comes with a pump, a tank, controller, an LED. A solenoid doesn't come with it, but you gotta buy it. A fucking nozzle. So, oh, and yeah, this is how she looks. She looks nice. She looks nice. She look nice. Woo. Alright. There's the kit. Oh, and we did this shit. You feel me? Cause this shit was driving me crazy. This fucking shit slapping around. Okay, so we also have our pump here, and we have our tank. This is a low fluid sensor. We have the main harness coming from the controller. The controller is mounted on the driver's side. I'm going to show you. And then we ran the harness for the back. I'm going to show you that where I ran it through. But we dropped the back side of the harness, the part of the harness that goes to the back of the car. Drop it back here. And then we ran the cables to the pump through here and connected it on the back of this. Mounted the pump nice and solid. And this switch also connects to the harness and plugs into the controller. The controller controls everything. But through the back of this shit, you feel me? So it looks nice. I couldn't do anything about that, but fuck that. And oh yeah, fuel fuel comes out of here. I'm tired. Fuel comes out of here. And it comes into here. Let me make sure I did this right. Okay, yeah, you see the arrows? Okay, from the tank to the pump. From the pump, it goes all the way in here. And it runs to the front of the car. And it runs together with the harness. So I ran it together. It runs to down here. I don't know why the fuck you came out. You sneaky bitch. Back in there. And then I ran it through here. All the way up here. Because on these cars, the only way you can get something, it's not the only way, but the easiest way you can get something to the firewall is through here. It goes through the front, and now I need another switch. This is for my music, for the bass. So now I need another switch right here for the. Trying to get this shit done because I don't got enough fucking time. Because then I have to fucking leave for fucking days and I don't fucking get back. When the fuck am I gonna fucking work on this shit? Alright, so look, this is the arm switch cable right here. This is why I left it right here with this. This for like this for a gauge right here. And this for arming the switch. So I left it here. Ow. Ow. Fuck! Alright, look. Hold up. There you go. You see it? Yeah. Then methanol gets through the front, through this hose right here. And this is the cable for the solenoid. It comes through here. And it goes into the throttle body, through a throttle body spacer. Right here, my friend, and this is the nozzle. There you go. That's it. All wired up. Estamos heavy.
Estamos heavy. Si yo supiera lo que yo pasé, yo tuve en tiroteo que la vida la riegué. Ha tenido que ranearme para no frenar en un poloche. Como esa madruga que me prendí con lo de té. Si yo supiera lo que yo pasé, yo tuve en tiroteo que la
Just got the intake manifold out. It's pretty easy, honestly. Look at my valves. Shit are crusty as hell, so we're gonna do something about that today. And notorious Mazdaspeed problems. My injectors were leaking, so I got some seals for them.
Gracias a Dios que la discring a mí no me ha desbaratado. Si yo supiera lo que yo pasé, yo tuve en tiroteo que la vida la riegué. Ha tenido que ranearme para no frenar en un poloche. Como esa madruga que me prendí con lo de té. Si yo supiera lo que yo pasé, yo tuve en tiroteo que la vida la riegué. Ha tenido que ranearme para no frenar en un poloche. Como esa madruga que me prendí con lo de té. Que lo cojo rula y a la vida no me lía chocho. Yo sí sé que lo que anda bruto con un 38. Tener problemas con gente o con la policía. Y no es de que
Far gauge. So I ain't spend all this fucking money just to blow up. We gotta be safe. You feel me? We ain't doing shit a lo carevaca. Mira, the adapt plate so I can put the sensor in. That shit gonna go to wait, yeah, this one. This is the oil pressure sensor. And we got this because torque steering almost fucking killed me. Yeah. We gonna take care of you. We gonna take care of you tomorrow, torque steering. Suck my dick.
Gang, gang, gang. Grrr, bow. Niggas listening broke, this shit should be sad, so now these niggas got me mad. Been top 3, really talk the facts. Big GBG, hit him in his shh. I can't wait till I run into buzzing. Told bro, I'ma show how we brothers. Watch him boom a nigga with his mother. Swervo, that's the cuz he ain't no other. Ain't a difference when I'm on the beat, the street, these niggas ain't fucking with me. I'm really outside and I'm rapping to eat. Honey but honey singles than me. I need the breach, feeling like a sea. I be with all of these blues on me. If I gotta suit up, ain't no problem with me. Walk up, never nothing to me. One flow smooth down, blasting this bitch, yeah, we packing them quick, toe tagging and shit. Hop out, then we get back in the whip. Spin again, we just be laughing and shit. I ain't going front, I ain't passing the grip. Niggas acting and shit, they be capping and shit. Back door, you ain't one of mine, you get hit. We gon' take a trip, don't care, we gon' make a mess and that shit get you blessed. Like, get you put up in a sec. Big give it hell, we still give it right. Like, GBG do it the best. And we gon' make a mess and that shit get you blessed. Like, get you put up in a sec. Big give it hell, we still give it right. Like, GBG do it the best.
But that's before boost. If you can see, like the highest one closer to boost is on 0. So I don't think I have to worry about that. But look at all the other shits. Like, look at my limits. Look at where I set my limits, and look at what the car is doing. So I think that's good. But you guys that have a little more experience when it comes to the tuning language, let me know. Let me know, cause I ain't trying to blow, motherfucker.
Oh my God! 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 Oh!
swoosh, all buffers, swoosh. Yeah, Cuddy, yeah, purple tint, yeah, 3%, yeah, 2 up inch, yeah, plastic drop, yeah, plastic bitch, yeah, plastic stick, yeah, trap the Jeep, yeah, on 2 deep, yeah, got your bitch, yeah, shoot and miss, yeah, catch a feet, yeah, made it squirt, yeah, late for church, yeah, spit your purse, yeah, spot revert.
Esa negra está altera, mira cómo lo mueve esa malcria. Tiene la popo, la cría y la doteta tan un brachea.
Le gusta que le den por el de atrás. Le gusta que le mamen la popola y le den por el de cagar. En los circuitos los domingos yo no me puedo quedar. Quiero una cropa calibre y un pichirri que eso no es pran, pran. ¿Y dónde están los que se buscan? Que no los veo dando pares, los privites competan. A que te la vamos a detonar. Y si anda con la amiga no le paro, también se la voy a doblar. La voy a llevar para Royal y la voy a enchuquitear. Le voy a dar madeo que los platos de Barunca. A que te la vamos a detonar. Y si anda con la amiga no le paro, también te la voy a doblar. La voy a llevar para Royal y la voy a enchuquitear. Le voy a dar madeo que los platos de Barunca.
A que te la vamos a detonar. Esta noche voy por ella, me subió la nota, la tengo altera. A que te la vamos a detonar. Esta noche voy por ella, me subió la nota, la tengo altera.
Ya está asustado, si yo estoy quitado. Eso era en los tiempos que estaba desacatado. Quien no me vio montado, Chucky arrebatado. Hasta un día que en un Billy me dejaron botado. Qué bobo el Suzuki que era una planta. En la mano la que canta y hasta el top una de Atlanta. En lo que le digo a la víctima, cuidado si te empanta. El poli nos soltó entre la llanta y la volanta. Solté medio pene, así fue que despejé. Hice mi diligencia y de una yo me alejé. Tú sabes por qué voy directo para la vejez. Porque hice una llamada y me pasan a recoger. Hubieron tentaciones, falsas decisiones sin explicaciones. Para que a uno le tiren mezcla. Así como hice misiones, deje pisar municiones. También dame la vuelta para dejar pisar la tecla.